Super SOCO CPX. Best Motorcycle Review. Available with 1 or 2 removable batteries, 2020 on. Electric bike sales jumped 50% in 2020, with most interest at the milder end of the power spectrum. With city commuters fleeing pox-ridden public transport for two-wheeled self-isolation, Super SOCO's new flagship CPX scooter has landed at the perfect time to offer just such an escape. You can buy a CPX with 1 battery, 3,654 pounds, 2020 price, or 2, 4,754 pounds. Each removable 2.7 kWh unit is good for around 35 to 40 miles if you stick to 30 miles per hour or less, so 70 to 80 miles for the 2-battery model. If you ride everywhere flat out, range drops to around 20 miles per battery. The CPX's straight-line performance is shy of a typical 125 scooter, so it's most at home making easy work of short city trips. Tasked doing just that, the single battery option may well offer enough range to manage most daily crosstown commutes. That leaves the twin battery version feeling like a tougher sell, especially given its near £5,000 price. But whatever your commute entails, there's plenty of petrol-powered 125 cubic centimeters scooters that are cheaper, accelerate quicker, go further and offer more practicality than the CPX. Batteries definitely beat the bus, but petrol power isn't done for yet. Ride quality and brakes. The wide, plush seat is comfy enough for an hour's commute and you're sat behind a tall, protective windscreen that helps shelter you from poor weather. Footroom is modest, with just enough space for my size 9 boots. On MCN's digital scales, the CPX weighs 146 kilograms with 2 batteries, or 127.6 kilograms with just 1. It's well balanced, with easy walking pace U-turns and superb agility nipping through traffic. There's even a reverse mode to help back the scooter out of a parking space, as well as a walking speed setting for crawling forward gently without having to push. Engine. The hub-mounted 4 kilowatts, 5 brake horsepower motor drives linearly but leisurely, eventually building to an indicated 57 miles per hour, a GPS-tested 53 miles per hour. However, from a standing start the CPX is decidedly unhurried. Even with freshly charged batteries, our quickest 0 to 30 miles per hour time is a very relaxed 7.56 seconds. However, performance drops noticeably as the charge in each battery depletes. Top speed reduces to around 45 miles per hour, while acceleration becomes increasingly sluggish. It's particularly noticeable because of the way the CPX sources its power when 2 batteries are fitted. Reliability and build quality. The Super SOCO CPX was brand new for 2020, so it's impossible to assess long-term reliability yet. Component quality appears to be from the affordable end of the scale, but it all seems put together fairly solidly and we had no faults or issues with our test bike. The CPX comes with a 2-year warranty. Batteries, however, have a 3-year warranty and are rated for 1,500 charge cycles. In theory that suggests anything from 30,000 to 60,000 miles per battery, so 60,000 to 120,000 miles for the 2-battery version, before capacity drops to 80%. If you later find yourself needing a replacement outside of warranty, or later decide you want a spare battery, each unit costs over £1,800. Value versus rivals. The Super SOCO CPX costs peanuts to run. Electricity costs work out as little as a penny a mile, VED is completely free, and the lack of any oil, coolant, spark plugs, valves, chains or belts means maintenance is minimal. However, all of this is also true for most rival electric commuter scooters. In its 1 battery guise, the nearest electric rival to the CPX's 3,654 pounds price tag is probably the NIO Enchi GTS Pro. Despite costing similar money, the NIO comes with 2 batteries, giving a greater range. The NIO is smaller and lighter than the Super SOCO and feels peppier pulling away, though with a top speed of just 44 miles per hour it won't keep with a CPX on the open road. Equipment. The LCD dash displays your speed large and clear. However, it also shows the battery status in a slightly unintuitive way when 2 batteries are fitted. The display always gives the state of the healthier battery, so for the first 20 to 40 miles, while it's using battery 1, the readout permanently shows 100%. That's not much help. There is a single USB charging socket, found near a phone-sized glove box. But that's your only storage, there's no additional space under the seat as it's taken up with batteries. Going for the single battery version of the CPX frees up a small amount of space, but not enough to hold a lid. Specs. Engine size. Engine type air-cooled electric motor. Frame type tubular steel. Fuel capacity. Seat height 760 mm. Bike weight 146 kg. Front suspension 31 mm forks, no adjustment. Rear suspension monoshock, adjustable preload. Front brake 240 mm disc with linked three-piston caliper. No ABS. Rear brake 180 mm disc with two-piston caliper. No ABS. Front tire size 100/80-16. Rear tire size 110/80-14.